Child, I don't know why today I feel like I'm giving a little bit of Nikki, honey. Okay? I'm giving a little bit of a Bob, honey. Okay? Maybe it's because I feel like a Barbie. Is that why? Is that why I feel like Nikki? I don't know. Y'all let me know.
Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. The way for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. It's disastrous beauty. The way for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
I finally stopped running now. With you I found my peace somehow. Let go of every thought that was holding me back. Yeah, I'm in love with you in every way. That joy you give me every day makes me forget that I was trouble before. Don't know if I'm dreaming, I'm slipping away. I hear your sweet voice, then I see your face. I never knew you could love someone like me. You climbed my tower and you set me free. I never know felt like this before. I never know felt the love like this. I never know felt like this before. I never know felt the love like this. I know I can be safe with you. You want me now, I know you do. I know you're being patient and I love you for that. You show me how to dare to love. So tell me what you're thinking of. Cause I won't be afraid, not holding anything back. Don't know if I'm dreaming, I'm slipping away. I hear your sweet voice, then I see your face. I never knew you could love someone like me. You climbed my tower and you set me free. I never know felt like this before. I never know felt the love like this. I never know felt like this before. I never felt the love like this. I never felt like this before. Like this before. Felt the love like this. Never this before. Like this before. Yeah.
Just take a look at yourself. Do you really think it's gonna help if you always fighting yourself, trying to forget how you felt? Just take a look at yourself. Can't even be your own friend, cause you're way too stuck in your head. How do you think it's gonna end? Nothing that they could do, nothing that they could say, nothing that they could do to take all the pain away. Sometimes it works out and sometimes it don't. Sometimes you win some and sometimes you won't. But we could be everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be everything that we want. We could be everything, anything that we see we could be. We could
right, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. So the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Hermosa Hair. Shout out to you, Hermosa. You guys been watching me. You know I am a stan of Hermosa, so shout out to you, boo. All right, so this unit is HD P18/613 blonde hair with highlights. It's 26 inches and it's 220% density. So those are details that they sent me about the unit that I have on. I'm gonna go on their site and give you guys more details. So it says exclusive original blonde highlight lace front human hair wigs, P18/613 blonde hair with highlights for sale. This unit is available in 16 to 28 inches. All even numbers. They have it available in 13x4 HD lace and a 5x5. Child, I wish I would have known about the 5x5. You guys know I prefer the 5x5s. And it comes in this body wave in 180%, and it comes in the body wave 250%, and you can also get it in straight in those densities as well. It says lace material is HD Swiss lace, strong and invisible tone, and slightly bleached knots, pre-plucked natural baby hair around, and it's an average cap size. If you want a small or a large custom feed, please contact customer or consumer. I don't know what. Please contact customer service. I couldn't see the whole thing. Okay, so those are the details and specs. So I want to go ahead and say that, in my opinion, this unit is very average head friendly. Okay, I feel like you can make it work if you have a smaller head, but I'm not so sure you can make it work if your head is on the larger side. That is just my opinion, because I only got the head that's on my shoulders, and I am an average cap size. But I did sort of struggle with putting this unit on, and I never struggled with Hermosa hair. So I do feel like this particular unit is more geared towards small to medium, really an average cap size, but not a large cap size. But like I said, do with that what you want to do with that. Now, as far as shedding and tangling, it is shedding some. I can see some hair in my brush. Can you see it? See it? So it is shedding some. It's not anything to write home about. And a 613 hair, I always sort of expected. Like I've only gotten like 613 hair that didn't shed straight out of the packaging maybe once. I think, but it's just like one of those things with 613 hair. But I like throw it out there so you can't say I ain't tell you good, because I told you good. Okay. As far as it being pre-tweezed, I do feel like it was pre-tweezed. All of Hermosa units I've ever gotten have been pre-tweezed. This one I did not have to bleach the knots whatsoever. So basically what you see is what you get, because old girl woke up like this. Okay. So yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as the full 360, then please continue to watch. All right, y'all, so you know I'm gonna start with the cons because I like to end on a high note. My con with this unit is I feel like it needs more hair at the top. So you guys see that wealth, and when you're dealing with 613 hair, I feel like they really need hair on the top, like because the wefts are light. It's not like they're dark like, you know, other units. They're really light, so they're really noticeable. So that is one of my cons, and you guys know my other con is the fact that it's a 13x4. I really would have loved that 5x5 closure, child. I would have loved that. So yeah, that is my con. Now my pros with this unit is I love the color, oddly enough. I wasn't sure if I would or not. Yeah, I wasn't sure. It's one of those units that I feel like you have to wear with makeup though. And that can be a con if you don't wear makeup often. Honestly, I don't really, believe it or not, wear makeup often. I don't. I just wear it when I film pretty much, or if I'm going out or something. I really don't wear, child, mom, child, I be momming. But anyways, I feel like it's definitely a makeup wig, but I feel like she is a showstopper, honey. Okay, so that's my pros with this unit. Yes, I would recommend it. Now, if you're afraid of bold colors, this is not your girl. Okay, this is not your girl if you know, like, certain colors scare you. But honey, if you want something that's gonna catch people's eye and they're gonna be looking at you, they're like, oh girl, if you want that, this is your wig, in my opinion. I feel like it's a showstopper. I feel like it's a good look. It's a vibe. But I don't think, if you're not somebody that is into color, stay away. Okay, that's all I can say. Stay away. But yes, I would personally recommend this unit. All right, so I'm gonna give you guys this full 360 and lint check so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. And you probably can see more weft now. This is it in the back. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am. I am interested in all of your thoughts and opinions. Sound off down below in the comments. Once again, shout out to you, Hermosa, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm HeltoMissC on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I'll see you lovebugs next time. Bye.
The looks you love completely. Got every styles and weekly. Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. The wigs for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. The wigs for me. It's disastrous.